Hello guys and welcome to Plus Equal. Today I'm here for a really short tutorial that is change the Playmode tint color for your window when you're playing the game. So this playing here will change the color on your background so you actually know that you are playing the game and not editing mode, because it's not the first time that people come into the scene while in play mode as I am right now, and I don't notice much of a difference, right? If I was like this and if I change this around thinking I'm doing changes into my game and then doing a lot of stuff without saving, then I'll come to a real to a realization point where I need to stop this and everything will be reset, and that's very unfortunate, and that happens to a lot of people. Don't judge it. So if you want to change this, you come to preference right here, and somewhere here you have the colors. As you can see, it kind of hurt your eyes for the first time, but then you have Playmode tint right here. Select this. People tend to use like something like a red, light red color, purple color, whatever you want, even orange if you will, so you know that it's like a warning color to do something like this. And let's run it again. So if I were to doing changes in my scene, right, moving stuff around, if I hit play, you see that my engine just turned red, and this is very good because if I was to change values here, I notice very easily that, well, what am I doing? I'm still in play mode. These won't be saved. So keep that in mind and use this technique slash tip if you really want to. I know that some people just like to keep it clean and have no color at all, but that's an option that you have. So that's it. As I promised you, this was a short tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are up to more tips like this, just leave a like and comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in our next tutorial. Thank you a lot for watching. I will see you there.